All right, I wanted to mention here that I've got an order of operations guide. It's like a 9 to 10 page guide. It's a fairly comprehensive guide on the order of operations. So it's at PayHip. I will include the link. It's only $2 to download and purchase, but it covers the history of the order of operations, explains how ancient Greek and Indian mathematicians laid the foundation for modern rules. So this is really nothing new. It also explains the acronyms. A lot of people get confused about what PEMDAS and BODMAS and BEDMAS and BIDMAS are. They're just memorization tools, and a lot of people get confused about these. They think they're a six-step checklist. I describe those in here. I also explain mistakes that people make about calculators. A lot of basic calculators, people use them and get the wrong answer, and so I show how to avoid common traps with immediate execution mode versus expression mode. So you'll understand your calculator much better. And I debunk a lot of the misconceptions out there. I explain why things like PEMDAS and BODMAS are not a rigid six-step checklist. I give you some efficiency tips, how to simplify problems without breaking the rules, and I even give examples at the end of this. So I give step-by-step solutions to a number of problems. So I give you examples to work out with. So you're getting a lot for just $2 here. So give it a shot. If you're have middle school students, you got college students, homeschoolers, tutors, or anyone, grown adults that want to review the order of operations that they were taught years ago. Give it a shot, take a look at it, download it. Let me know what you think.